After narrowing your list of manufacturers, the next step is to request at least 3 quotes. When you reach out, ask 9 key questions. First, can they meet your custom requirements and exact specifications? Second, what is their minimum order quantity, often called MOQ? These can range from 1,000 to 20,000 units. Negotiate carefully and avoid asking this question too early, as it may signal inexperience. Third, what are their lead times for production and shipping? Fourth, what are their shipping costs? Suppliers located closer to ports in China often have lower rates. Fifth, what is the cost per unit? Remember to negotiate this together with the MOQ because larger orders usually reduce per unit prices. Sixth, can they provide exclusivity? If you are paying for tooling, confirm that the equipment you funded will not be used for anyone else's products. Discuss different forms of exclusivity, such as territory or market rights, and clarify who owns the molds. Seventh, ask about setup fees, which are common in processes like injection molding. Eighth, ask about their defect policy so you know who covers replacements and shipping costs if problems arise. Ninth, check whether they are sustainable and ethical by asking about their working conditions, anti-discrimination practices, breaks, and environmental procedures such as waste management. Do not be discouraged if large manufacturers turn you down because of small order volumes. Some are used to working with massive clients. There will always be manufacturers who are open to smaller businesses. Once you receive 3 or more quotes, compare them carefully. Do not simply choose the lowest or the highest. The most reliable option often falls in the middle. When you select a manufacturer, explain your design requirements clearly. Confirm whether they can produce exactly what you need. Share sketches, written details, and reference images. If your design requires advanced work, consider hiring professionals from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Look for freelancers who specialize in industrial design, product development, or CAD. For packaging, a local 3-dimensional print shop can help you create prototypes before moving to mass production. Before making a large order, always request samples. Test them thoroughly. Keep 2 samples for yourself and send 2 back to the manufacturer. These serve as reference points for quality. If future batches differ, you will have proof. If a shipment arrives with minor flaws, you can use a product approval waiver. This document records the defect but allows the order to continue under the agreement that future batches will correct the problem. This prevents issues from repeating over time.